All right, friends, this is your room tour with our stuff unpacked, so you can see how we do. I like to lay out all of the shoes that we brought. Yes, from here over is mine, and those are Joe's. These are all of our masks and wipes and hand sanitizers right by the door. Hey, I'm in my pajamas. This is the big bathroom that we really don't use. Sometimes I'll take a bath, but really the pièce de résistance, I mean, obviously we use it, but the pièce de résistance in the Polynesian DVC suites, in my opinion, is this bathroom. I'm coming in. Mm-hmm. Joe's in his pajamas. Mm-hmm. We love this shower. The rain head is so much fun. So I have my little soaps and stuff over there. This is what all of our Disney bathrooms look like. Catherine morning, I bring a lot of stuff, but it's fine, it's fine. So I got like little makeup thing, all my face stuff, all my hair stuff. Just some little oils. I like oils. Joe's got his meds. We've got razor, toothpaste, toothbrush, more hair stuff. I always bring my Dyson because it's the only thing that works. And this trip I have a whole bag full of tummy medicine. This is our little kitchenette area in use. So I brought a lot of snacks just in case I had trouble finding stuff that I could eat. So I want to bring myself some stuff that I knew was gut friendly, including my naan. We always bring back our reusable cup because it's the best. We brought lots of applesauce, and these are all of the beverages that we brought with us. Oh, except for the ginger ale we bought at the gift shop. But we're doing really well with that. Joe is obsessed with having lemon water in the morning, so he literally brings a lemon squeezer and lemons, and he makes himself a little lemon water in the morning. It is precious as hell. We are OCD, and we actually hang up stuff. My mom's gonna watch this and be like, wait, what? Because I never hang up anything. And yes, I brought 5 long sleeve things in the middle of summer to Florida. I have not worn one yet, but I might, so just calm down. These are my like super cute like matchy shorts and shirt things that I love that I'm actually gonna wear tomorrow. These are Joe's Tommy Bahamas and his little droid shirt. Yeah, that's that. Our extra suitcase, our laundry, we're collecting all our dirty clothes, trying to keep things tight. Let's see. Oh yes, here's the collection of bags. So I have a lot of bags, and I like to match my outfits to my bag and to the park. So like obviously that's my Magic Kingdom bag, that's my Hollywood Studios bag, fanny packs, and the cute purse when I want to be classy. This is really fun. Let me actually bring this into the light so you can see it. It is from the Wonder whatever gallery, and it's like Star Wars Cantina. All right, that goes back there. We've got, oh, bananas. We brought some bananas with us. Sunscreen, always handy and ready to go. Hand sanitizer. This is the map for the Remy's Ratatouille Hide and Squeak this year. Very cute. Very cute. These are some Food and Wine Festival booklets. If you want one, send me a message. My wallet, my hats, my sunglasses, this super cool painting. We brought it so we could take photos of it because one of our Instagram friends sent it to us. The Babbling Boutique. She is Boo, and she is so adorable. And of course I got my new email, backpacks and tripod. This is some shopping from today. Charging station. This is where we plug in all of our fuel rods and rechargeable things. Grogu is always with us. That's our balcony. Nothing's out there. Computer ready to go for tonight. To watch some West Wing. I have a seating pad because Joe and I have like random back things, but so far we've been pretty good. I want to show you my clothes because I'm very proud of my system that is working out very well. So my outfits for the trip, and actually I'll show you, this is my outfit for tomorrow. They're all in a bundle. So wrapped in the shorts for the day is the shirt for the day. And in the shirt for the day are the socks for the day. So tomorrow, Joe and I are rocking our Pizza Planet outfits. Actually, maybe I'll even iron this. That's how OCD I've gotten. So we're rocking our Pizza Planet outfits with, of course, my Rock'em socks, Andy's room wallpaper cloud thingies. But yeah, all of my outfits are wrapped up, ready to go, so I don't have to remember where I sorted everything. Look, there's Joe just chilling. How does his drawer look, I wonder? Let's take a gander. Boom. Oh, he's so organized. Look how cute this is. Totally Marie Kondo'd out. She changed our lives. We always fold stuff so you can see all of your shirts. It's a game changer. It is a game changer. Yeah, and then we got our chocolate covered pretzels because that's the snack for the evening. And that, my friends, is our room. I hope you had fun. Thanks for watching. Have a great night. Bye.